Here we have some examples of different top line treatments that you can use on your upper. It's really important that you decide on what top line treatment you're going to do at the pattern making stage, because these will actually affect how you do your pattern. So I'm going to go through each one with you. First, we have the simplest type of top line, which is a raw edge. And that is literally just your upper attached to your lining and stitched with a raw edge. Great thing about leather is that it doesn't fray. You can step that up a notch by doing what we call a folded edge, where the upper is folded back on itself and then sealed in with the lining, and then again stitched around the edge. Another good example is a raw edge but cut with the pinking shears, so that you've got that nice detailing there. You've got a bagged edge, which means that the stitching is on the inside, so that you have a really clean top line like that. You've got a U-bound top line, which obviously has an extra piece sort of bound around the edge, and then that's stitched on. So that's a great way to do any kind of contrast in color. And then this one is called a beaded edge or beading, but it's also known as piping. If it doesn't have a little bit of pipe in there, then it's just called beading, which is a bit flatter. And that's also a really nice way to get a bit of an extra detail of color onto your top line. You can see that that piece is sandwiched in between the upper and the lining.